Have you ever heard of a Chewini? No, it's not a new type of cuisine or a bizarre dance move. In fact, it's a rather adorable crossbreed between a Chihuahua and a Dachshund. That's right, a Chewini takes the number 10 spot on our list of unique facts. Up next, at number 9, we're off to the tropical islands of Hawaii, but wait, where are all the seagulls? It turns out, Hawaii is a seagull-free zone. Yes, you heard that correctly. Despite what you might expect, there are no seagulls in Hawaii. Swerving over to the world of insects for number 8, we find the dragonfly, a creature that, despite having 6 legs, cannot walk. That's right, dragonflies are all about the flight life, not the stroll life. For number 7, we delve into the sweet world of gummy bears. Did you know these chewy treats were originally known as dancing bears? This moniker was inspired by the performing animals that entertained crowds in 19th century Europe. Coming in at number 6, we have the sea otter, which boasts the thickest fur of any mammal. It has about 1 million hairs per square inch to keep it warm. Halfway through our list, at number 5, we take a look at the Twitter logo. The bird gracing this social media platform has a name: Larry. Yes, the Twitter bird is named after the legendary basketball player Larry Bird. For number 4, we turn to the human body and the term coccyx or tailbone. This term comes from the Greek word Coccyx, meaning cuckoo, due to its resemblance to the bird's beak. At number 3, we delve into the realm of taste buds. Did you know a baby has around 30,000 of them? Not just on the tongue, but also on the sides, back, and roof of the mouth. In comparison, adults have about 10,000. We dive underwater for number 2, where we find that when dolphins take a breath, they replace 90% of the air in their lungs with fresh air. Humans, on the other hand, only replace about 15%. Finally, at number 1, we have a truly bizarre incident involving feral pigs in an Italian forest, cocaine worth $22,000, and a very unexpected feast. Yes, these feral pigs found and destroyed a hidden stash of cocaine. So from Chewinis and Seagull-Free Hawaii to dancing gummy bears and cocaine pigs, these 10 unique facts certainly offer a wealth of surprising and educational tidbits. Who knows, they might even make you the most interesting person in the room at your next social gathering.